Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what you need and taking precise measurements. Measure the wall length, transfer marks to the J-trim, and allow a small 1/8 inch gap for thermal expansion. This prevents buckling later. Cut the trim with aviation snips and Deber sharp edges so pieces fit cleanly. Once done, dry fit each section along the wall to check alignment and laps. Make sure the faces align and that corners sit flush before moving to fasten. Don't rush this check. You now fasten the trim, keeping joints neat and strong. Pre-drill pilot holes to avoid splitting and use corrosion-resistant screws spaced about 12 to 16 inches for consistent hold. This distributes stress. When joining sections, overlap ends roughly 1 inch and run a bead of compatible sealant at the seam so water cannot track behind the siding. Once done, check with a level and straight edge. Adjust screw tightness, as needed to avoid pulling the metal out of true and creating waves. You finish by cleaning and protecting the joint so it lasts. Run a tooled bead of sealant along seams, trim excess with a putty knife, and touch up any exposed metal with matching paint to prevent corrosion. If you see gaps later, push in a small backer rod then reseal. Do not overfill because that can pry the trim apart. If a section becomes loose, remove the nearby screws, realign the trim, and reinstall fasteners at correct spacing. One tip, if you get oil canning, slightly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.